All right, guys, today we are driving a 2024 ND3 Mazda Miata. We are driving Cue the Chaotix Miata.
Hello.
This is the Grand Touring.
Grand Touring.
You've modified it a little bit. We have a spicy exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Which one is that? Roadster Sport?
Goodwin Race, per your recommendation.
Okay. Goodwin Race. Sweet. Sounds fantastic. I can't wait to hear it on track. You've got an aftermarket steering wheel, which feels amazing with Cue the Chaotic colors, stitching, green in the inside the perforated leather, the purple top line there, different shift knob, armrest.
Yep, thicker.
Man, this is like in Porsche interior quality here. Let's walk you guys around it real quick. First track day in the car. It's pretty swayadelic. You got some body roll. Best license plate. What is this? What is this exhaust weigh? It's like 12 pounds or something.
Yeah, 12
axle
pounds.
back. Yeah.
Yep.
It's awesome. Yeah. You got winter tires for this yet?
Not yet. Next week I was waiting for this track day.
Okay.
Yep.
Good man. We were going to run this today versus the S2000, do a S2000 versus Miata comparison, but the S2000's clutch master cylinder is leaking and can't really shift very well. It's getting trailered home, so we'll have to leave that to another day. Or maybe I'll just get an ND Miata someday.
You know you won't, huh?
This could be a very expensive drive. All right, we got a little bit of water, so we're gonna take it gingerly for the first lap or two. Gingerman does get slippery in the wet. Oh, it's good. I love this exhaust. Driving position is great. Steering wheel feels fantastic. It's funny, all Miatas with an exhaust sound the same, and they all sound fantastic.
Yeah.
The only difference here is this actually has some power.
Yep.
Stock brakes?
Yep.
All right, swayadelic.
Yep. Bunch of roll.
Yeah, I think all you need are sway bars. Otherwise, this feels really good. This new Miata is supposed to be buttoned down a little bit more. It still feels nice and neutral on track. That's good. Shouldn't be as much snap oversteer off throttle. If you can drive one of these fast, you can drive anything fast. Best car. Yeah, the suspension feels a little bit softer, not as twitchy in this ND3. This is good. This is a more approachable car. I think it's a little bit quicker to drive too as a result.
How are those brakes?
Brakes feel fine. I would definitely get a better pad, but like the pedal feel is nice.
Oh yeah.
shifter, just a different I like it.
It's so much better just for the road.
Yeah.
Position is lower than what it would normally be. And it's weighted. That's it.
It's just lower. That's what it is.
Yep. Call it like a super Klasse or something.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Dude, the body roll is hilarious.
It is.
It feels like you're about to fall into my lap right now.
I'm trying my hardest to stay on my side. Absolutely got to get a front sway bar.
Oh yeah.
After today, that's my first order of business besides snow tire.
You know though, you can lean on this car, like you can use the body roll to kind of assess your grip.
I learned a big lesson in weight transfer today.
Yeah. All right, we'll get rid of some of this wind noise. These tires feel good.
Yep.
I mean, it's getting probably a little greasy out here. There's some rain coming down on the track. Oh, it just sounds so good though. This exhaust is the jam. Any drone or anything on the highway?
None whatsoever.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Probably the best mod.
Yeah, I mean, this is the first thing I always do. I would want to do to a Miata. All right, do a cool down lap. Let these stock brakes cool off a bit. Oh man, so much fun.
Oh yeah.
How does this compare to the, how many, 30 cars you've owned? What are you at?
29.
29, all right.
Yep.
I'm close.
So this is going to be my favorite car. It's going to knock the Camaro off the list.
Really?
That's this one that is now number 2.
Okay.
And the M2 competition is my third most fun to drive car. But as far as favorite, this is the Camaro still with the slight edge to the Miata so far. That's before mine.
Miata is always the answer.
Yep.
It's so lovable.
And just as a daily driver, I drop the kids off to school in the WRX, and I'll come back home and take this to work. I'm driving so much.
Oh, that's awesome. It's so much fun. Yeah, the inputs here are good. This new ND3 is a little bit easier to drive, more buttoned down. It's nice. I like what Mazda did here. Not pushing this car super hard today. Not my car. A little bit greasy out. So, you know, we're gonna take it easy, but oh, this is super fun.
Man.
I like everything you've done here, man. This shift knob, it's like sport classy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like luxury, but it feels really good in hand. It's kind of the right shape.
Yeah.
The touch points on this wheel, what wheel is this?
It's a Guardian design.
Wow.
Fully custom. I got the flat bottom.
It feels great.
There's so many different customizations.
Yeah.
You can do the perforated in the middle, up top, down low, different color leathers. It's just everything about a steering wheel you can customize.
That's awesome.
Yep.
That's great. Cool. And you've got the Grand Touring. So you've got a slightly thicker soft top,
Yep.
less NVH. You still get heated seats, you get auto climate control. What else is different about the Grand Touring?
Adaptive headlights.
Okay, that's nice to have at night. You do have a traction control mode, which we did not try out today. I just turned everything off.
Yeah. Got home link in here.
Okay. Oh yeah, this
Adaptive wipers.
mirror is nice.
Or rain sensing wipers, which may or may not work with the rain.
Yeah, I was just doing that auto TheTopher style today. Just doing it on my own. Cool. Oh well, that was like some of the most fun I've had all day.
Oh,
that was
man.
great.
Yes.
For the power, I mean, it's just so entertaining. This is a car that you can really learn to push, and you can get so much performance out of it. You can push it really hard. It takes some getting used to, but you know, the body roll, once you get used to it, it's okay.
Yeah, that's intimidating.
It is.
The first session, I was like, man, I'm going really slow. But once I got used to it, I'm like, all right, I can push it a little bit. Hear the tires squeal. I'm like, all right.
When The first time I ever rode in a Miata, like around an autocross, I was like 14 years old. Just started driving, like didn't even have my license yet. I was like, we're gonna roll over. It was like an NA8 or something, you know.
So the roll is just something in the
body roll is
the DNA?
It's just the way they are. It's just what happens. Yeah. But it's part of the charm, part of the character.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I think a front sway bar would definitely help.
Oh yeah,
but
you gotta do that.
you don't need it, but you could get it.
Yeah, it's just for me to not be like a little.
I will say, my favorite ND Miata that I have driven, Victor's 30th anniversary, he had a front sway bar and it drove great.
I gotta do that. I got like everything he's got so far.
Yeah, I would just do that and call it a day.
Yep.
Yeah, cool, man. Well, happy modding. Good to see you again.
Good to see you. Thanks for the invite once again.
Absolutely. This was fun. Go check out Q's channel at Q the Chaotic.
Yep.
We'll see you guys later.
All right.